Stop by and take a look at 2012 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, moonroof, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, backup camera, alloy wheels, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.